What's up, guys? Check this out. So this week, this is what we found at the vending machine. Look, found a quarter, a nickel, and a couple pennies found down on the ground on my bike ride. So yeah, got a couple pennies, a quarter, and a nickel. Look, I got a quarter from 1990 Denver. Take it, and a nickel from 1996 Philly. I'll take it. We have a penny from 2014 Denver. Take it. And another penny, sink, 2000 Denver. Sweet, I'll take it. Just 32 cents. 25 cents on a quarter, 5 cents and a nickel, and 2 cents of pennies. 32 cents, I'll take it. Hope you guys enjoyed.